Energy Reliability Council of Texas.
ERCOT.
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 ERCOT. Texans concerned about the state of the power grid.
Your roof is unique, and y'all went through the Snowpocalypse. One of the biggest questions we got from clients, like right after that snowstorm, was what happens when the solar roof is covered in snow?
Yeah.
You know, how long does it take to melt off? Does it still produce power?
We lost the power. I think we were out of power for almost 40 hours. And essentially it went out in the middle of the night. The Powerwall kicked on, and so we were able to still run, heating and stuff like that. The entire next day, it was snowy, cloudy, just sub-zero temperatures. All the neighbors left, and we were the only ones staying in the house because we were able to produce enough solar, even with the clouds, that we ran the entire house, charged the battery back up, and then when the sun went down that night, we ran all off of battery power and kept everything completely going again. Got up the next morning, the battery I think was at about 15%. Still cloudy. Solar kicks back in to produce battery power and house power. It was pretty impressive.
So it's charging your battery and
Yeah.
fully powering the
fully,
house.
Yeah, fully powering the house.
Even with some cloudy days.
Yeah. It was really cool because I think the panels produced us a little bit of heat, so it kind of sheets any snow or ice off of the panels themselves. So everybody else's house is completely covered in snow, and my roof is open with all the panels showing. So that was pretty impressive. Went straight through yourself and Mo and Good Faith Energy, and you guys got me taken care of from start to finish, with coming out and doing the inspection of my original roof and the hail damage that we had on that, and then giving me really good engineering options in terms of size and scalability with the Tesla roof. So I was impressed with how quickly you guys were able to get all that put together over to Tesla for approval, and then get everything shipped and starting the production process. So I was really happy with that. Super professional, and we appreciate everything from start to finish with the entire project. Yeah.